SolarisKit's Do-It-Yourself SP100 kit lets you install your very own solar heating system for your above-ground swimming pool. It provides a complete solar heating solution which works alongside your pool filtering loop, so you can heat your pool using solar energy without compromising water quality and cleanliness. The SP100 kit includes 1. SolarisKit solar collectors, 2. 12-volt DC pump, 3. Piping and fittings. Using our simple-to-follow instructions, the solar heating system can be installed without any previous experience or complicated tools. Piping and fittings are connected using push-fit style components, and the pump is simply dropped into the pool to make the installation as quick and easy as possible. After installation, the solar collectors are placed somewhere sunny within 10 meters of the swimming pool. When sunny, the SolarisKit solar collectors absorb solar energy and become hot. Switching on the low-power 12-volt DC pump using the power supply included starts circulating water from your swimming pool through the solar collectors. As the water passes through the SolarisKit solar collectors, it is heated and returned back to the pool. The process continues while the pump is switched on. Our 12-volt pump consumes only 12 watts of energy, which is similar to running a light bulb, so is very economical to run all day long. When heating is no longer required, simply switch the pump off, stopping the flow of water through the solar collectors. SolarisKit's SP100 kit makes it easier than ever to install your own solar pool heating system. For more information or to order, please visit solariskit.com.